Horses out, we have Friends of Dog. Pass the begin, Danori inside, Don Alejandro, Boogie Wonderland, Kimagure. Then comes Asikura, the Forza, Bloodline, and Epira. Is the early trailer, we have Friends of Dog. By about 3 lengths. Don Alejandro is running by the second. Then on the outside comes Kimagure. 3 lengths. For the back in port comes Boogie Wonderland, the Force. Bloodline. Then comes Asikuda and Epira. Still racing in last. That's still Friends of Dog by out a length. Don Alejandro is running by the second. Then on the outside still is Kimagure. Boogie Wonderland remains in port. Then comes Bloodline. And that's still Friends of Dog by about 2 lengths. Don Alejandro now trying to get closer in second. Kimagure in third. Then followed by Boogie Wonderland. And that's still Friends of Dog by about 2.5 lengths. Don Alejandro still in second. Boogie Wonderland in third. But it's still Friends of Dog by about 2 lengths. Boogie Wonderland, Don Alejandro is already outside. Friends of Dog, Boogie Wonderland is already outside. But it's still Friends of Dog, Boogie Wonderland now moves up, and finally Boogie Wonderland. Friends of Dog, then comes Don Alejandro, Bloodline, Asikuda, Epira, Kimagure, and number 1, the Force.